it's like, I mean, the image is, just look at, this is the perception of the people of Kashmir. This is the same perception, of what we hold for 84 riots when 6 were killed, they were burned alive, or when the Babri Masjid was demolished. It's like saying, no, Babri Masjid came down itself. It's like, no, 6 were not murdered, they just, died of their own death. So I would just like to appeal, people like Parveen Swami, I know him personally, I like to tell him, just look and think for a moment, she may be your daughter, your sister, your wife.
Mehbooba, in the same month, Mehbooba, I want to ask you a question.
Just look at it and tell me, does this look to you a person who has been drowned?
This is not an assembly.
What is this blood about? What is this blood about?
In the same month when the Shopian incident happened, there were 2 ladies. One was Nilofer Jan and another was, I think, Nagin Awan, who were killed in Shopian itself, but they were killed by terrorists, and there were no protests or stone throwing incidents. So why only protest in a particular incident? And secondly, I too am a Kashmiri. I also have grievances against the state. But why don't we challenge the state? Why don't we expose them?
You are not listening.
I am listening to. I have been listening to you all these years.
I was the only politician who visited that place. Nobody except me went to their homes. Does that justify CBI covering this thing? Does it justify?
What proof do you have? What proof do you have? You can't just emotionally charge with a photograph. I can do that. I have thousands of photographs. And for 20 years cases have been pending.
Okay,
Mehbooba, please don't politicize this issue. I beg you. I am with my sisters. I am with the Shopian victims.
No, I think anybody who's killed illegally, whether by a terrorist or by anybody else, there should be a probe, there should be accountability. However, over here what is happening when people are saying, why are you saying there is a hush-up? So 2 women drowned and the SHO, the SP, the DYSP, the SI, they don't do anything. Justice Jan says there's sheer dereliction of duty. IWIJ goes, the CID DG gives us a fake post-mortem report, and we are supposed to believe that nothing is happening. Are they protecting some ordinary man who has raped and murdered these women? And please let us point out, the people of Shopian had carried out a 47-day peaceful hartal. Today also, and your own reporter said that in Shopian the hartal was very peaceful. People are seeking justice peacefully. We are pushing them to a corner. We are telling them, if you're going to ask for the truth, if you're going to seek the truth,
Brinda,
you will not get it.
But I'm going to ask you something that I did ask you earlier as well. But why would the CBI willingly submit a fudged report to the J&K High Court?
The fact that this will be given as a drowning had been decided way back. The drowning theory was put out even as the first post-mortem report said this is not drowning. The CID 3 months later told us it is drowning. Again, CBI comes in and says it is drowning because the accusing finger points at men in uniform. This is the phrase used by Justice Jan. Men in uniform will not be touched in Kashmir.
Praveen Swami, men in uniform will not be touched. What would it have cost the administration to hand out exemplary punishment?
It's fascinating because that statement just isn't true. Men in uniform have repeatedly, especially in recent years, as Mehbooba Mufti well knows, been arrested, charged and prosecuted for similar offences. You had very recently the Ganderbal killings.
The Ganderbal people have yet to be convicted. The prosecution is still pending.
Right. Is that unusual in this country? I'm just curious. You're a lawyer. Tell me.
Not when there are such high stakes for the government. Not when there are such high stakes.
Normally the case should have been settled in the lower courts by now. Are you seriously saying this?
Yes.
I'm amazed.
I think the Parliament attack case was settled in great speed. You know that.
The Parliament attack, Ganderbal is a year and a half ago. The Parliament case didn't
8 months. 8 months.
The same CBI, which is now being abused, has filed charges against military officers for executing 5 innocent people and passing them off as terrorists in Panchalthan, right? There have been a number of prosecutions to make this grand claim that, nothing is ever done, everything is
But on the other hand, it's a symbolic value. Within Kashmir, when policemen are protected.
I will just come back to something Mehbooba said a minute ago and which you didn't question her on, but where she very loudly and publicly said that the blood marks she is now pointing to and discussing my daughter, my sister and so on, were blood marks she stood up in public and said were signs of tilak put there by a murderous Hindu rapist. And this was said publicly.
Okay, we'll come back and get a reaction from Mehbooba Mufti in just a bit. We have to take a short break. We'll come back.
Do a Google search. That's a simple way of settling it.
We'll come back.